Okay, everyone. Hello, everyone. This is Hugo and the EasyLeave team for our Sprint 22 review. We are with Adam, our stakeholder. So, EasyLeave is part of TimePro, and it's a great tool to help you manage your leave requests. Let's jump into the summary email for this sprint. So, we had two goals. First one was to record a new version of public videos for EasyLeave and public holidays, and also implement UI and UX feedback. And we did reach both goals, so that's great. Let's have a look at the backlog for this sprint. We made a lot of UI and UX improvements, like I just told you. And if we have...
Can I just ask,
yeah,
for this sprint, were you, Gilles, and Chloe all working on it?
I wasn't.
Yeah.
I had to work on NDC and other stuff. Yeah. So
right. Okay. No.
Now I'm full time on EasyLeave.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
One of the things I want to show you, Adam, is that we changed the status badges in the EasyLeave dashboard. I guess you prefer it that way, right?
Yeah, the status column looks great.
All good. Then another cool thing we did was working on the models to make them all look the same throughout TimePro. Can you say a few words about this, Chloe?
Yes. So the context for this one is before in TimePro, we used the model component from different libraries, but now we've standardized. For example, we used NGB model and material models. And now we've standardized everything to use the materials model. It looks like this. A little bit big. And we also took Diego's suggestion to keep button styles consistent. So now all models look more uniform than before.
Is it okay for you, Adam?
I did notice that they look better. I wasn't sure if I was imagining it, but yes, they did look better.
Yeah, we did work on it. Yeah. Thanks, Chloe.
I think the current version is 10, and the latest Angular version is 19.
19.
So, did it give you much grief being on an old version, or it's fine?
Well, at the moment it's okay. We just have an issue with time pickers that could be resolved if we upgrade to 19.
Right. Okay. All right.
Overall, it's okay. But
it is on the backlog, but we're not going to do it. We're not upgrading until after NDC. We're worrying about other things.
Who's going to work on the upgrade?
The Aussies that already upgraded a few clients to the latest version of Angular.
So that's pretty much it for the backlog. I still need to update this one about the videos because now you've given us a test pass. So I'll update this and update the email too. Let's have a look at the usage stats. We have one new user this sprint, that's Christian. That's nice to see someone else using EasyLeave. You can notice that we also changed this screen. We've added the rank and we moved the employee column to the left and also fixed the dates being inconsistent, right? So now it should be okay like this, I hope.
So is Jimmy using it for his own leave or he's doing it for other people? Because Jimmy hasn't taken any leave that I've noticed. Is he doing it for other people?
Maybe he is, or maybe those are just test leave that needs to be deleted. Not sure. We have a PBI to clean the data in prod on next sprint.
Okay. So all right. And I also think that one of the things you need to do is make sure that the public holiday leave stuff is set up correctly on production.
Right. Yeah. I think it is at the moment, but yeah, we can double check.
Okay.
This sprint we made 5 production deployments. That's one. basically one per day, so that's great. The roadmap has not still in the same state, so we're still working on public holidays and UX improvements all over the place.
I noticed that. Where is the item on there to upgrade the Angular version? Nowhere.
Yeah, we don't have one. We should maybe create one. What do you think?
Isn't that
sorry.
backlog?
This is only EasyLeave. It's on the other one.
Yeah.
It should be on the TimePro backlog.
And yeah, I think it would fall under miscellaneous and tech debt as well anyway.
Right.
Okay.
But it's more of a TimePro concern anyway.
Mhm.
Because we can't upgrade just EasyLeave and not TimePro. That's the reason why it's on the TimePro then.
By the way, I do think you should move number 2 down to number 4 because the first 3 are done.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, make more sense like this.
I'll do it. Hello.
Hello.
This is a recording.
Yeah, that's okay. Let's have a look at the retro real quick. We all think that we made new cool videos, so that's great, and we made a lot of UI and UX improvements. So that's the thing that went well. Do you want to add something to this now?
Yeah, very proud of the videos, obviously. They're excellent and they're public, so that's awesome. Don't forget to add a link to your SW People profile if they're live, might as well. It's content.
That's a great idea. Yeah.
I think we are ready to go live, and so it's now a matter of decision when Adam wants to do it, but it's probably ready.
Yeah.
I can't think of anything that went wrong really. It's a great sprint as usual.
Yeah. Maybe that's pretty much it.
Want
to add something, Adam?
No, very happy. I think it's good, and I agree. It's happy to go live. So 2 things I would do: update the sugar learning items so that they talk about EasyLeave now, and secondly, I would pretend you are creating a new tenant and you're trying to test out this new EasyLeave feature you just saw in a video. So go create new tenant, Hugo's consulting firm, and then add in, try to do what you need to do. See if you can take a sick leave and then a normal leave, and then see if you can go into public holidays and create Christmas, and it's done, and everything seemed to work. So,
yeah.
And I
definitely should be a PBI in next sprint. Yep.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Yeah, we'll get a PBI for that.
And ideally make sure that when you do this, you're not on a machine that has any SSW permissions.
Right.
Right.
Mhm.
Yes. We can't really do that, but yes.
Yeah.
We can try it.
Yes, I can with my.
Something we didn't really mention, Adam. That was part of the done stuff, and I'm very happy with is Hugo worked on, just like Chloe worked on improving all the models across the board. Hugo worked on improving all the links across the board. So you should. I don't know if that's deployed yet.
It is.
It is. So you should see all links in TimePro. Not all, 90% of them, because some don't really make sense. But most links will now be red and underlined on rollover everywhere across the board.
Oh, beautiful.
That's not only EasyLeave, obviously, that's everywhere in invoices and whatnot.
Is TimePro on Tailwind?
TimePro is it on Tailwind?
No.
Bootstrap.
Yeah, Bootstrap, yeah. Okay, so that wraps it up for the review and retro. Let's have a quick look at the planning for next sprint. So we will carry on working on public holidays and make sure that everything works great with the update and delete. And we'll keep on implementing UI and UX feedback as soon as we got it. So that's
Can you
sprint.
implement the UI UX feedback from videos?
Yeah.
And I would also just add a third bullet point, create a tenant and check it works.
Yeah. All right. I will create a PBI for this and add it to the sprint and update this email too. Then.
Beautiful. All right, awesome.
All right. That's it for this sprint review. So as usual, the video will be uploaded on TimePro's channel on YouTube. You can get there by clicking on the red button at the top right here. It was Hugo and the boys from EasyLeave for this sprint review. Signing off. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Great job.
According to